Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 5, English version Math, Multiples and Factors chapter, Exercise 5. Exercise 5. Question number 1. Find the least common multiples. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 questions here. We'll solve one after another. Let's solve number 1, bracket 1. 15, 21. 15, 21. These two numbers. We have to find the least common multiple. Now, what is least common multiple? Least common multiple, LCM, means least common multiple. What is multiple? Multiple means, for example, 2, multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. What are multiples of 2? 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. All these are multiples of 2. Okay, now what is factor? Factor. I know you probably know all this, but still, just before we start this chapter, I just would like to tell you briefly about these words. Factors. Factor means the number that divides another number. For example, factors of 4. Factors of, for example, factors of 4. What are factors of 4? We have to ask question. 1, is it a factor of 4? Yes, because 1 divides 4 without any remainder. 2 divides 4 without any remainder. 2 is a factor. 3 is a factor. No, 3 is not a factor. 3 is not a factor of 4. 4 is a factor of 4 because 4 divides 4 without any remainder. So these 3 are the factors. And what is prime factor? What is a prime factor? Prime factor. Prime factor means the factors those can be divided by the number itself or 1. For example, 2 is a prime factor, 3 is a prime factor, 5 is a prime factor. Why 5 is a prime factor? Because we can divide 5 by only 2 numbers. One is 5 and the other is 1. Except these 2, you cannot divide 5. Similarly, 2, 3 are also prime factors. But 6 is not a prime factor because this can be divided by 1, this can be divided by 2, this can be divided by 3, this can be divided by 6. So this is not a prime factor. Now let's start the math. Number 1, we have to find the least common multiples of two numbers, 15 and 21. We have to ask question, which prime factor divides these two numbers? Two doesn't divide 3. Yes, 3 divides. So 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 7, 21. So these are, we cannot divide these two numbers again. So these are all prime factors. So let us multiply all these. LCM equals to 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 5 into 7 equals to 105. Answer 105. Number 2, bracket 2. 35 and 21. 35, 21. If we divide by 3, no, we can't. 5, no, because 21, 5 doesn't divide 21. So 7 is the prime factor that divides both. 5 into 7, 7, 3 into 7. Therefore, LCM equals to 7 into 5 into 3. 7 into 5 into 3 equals to 105. Answer 105. Number 3, 20, 12, 25. 20, 12, 25. What divides all? Remember, we have to, the number we select, that has to divide at least 2 of their numbers. At least 2. So I think 2 divides 20 and 12. So let us divide by 2. 10 into 2, 6 into 2, and 25 is not, we have to bring it down. Any number that cannot be divided, we bring it down for next operation. Again, we can divide by 2. 5 into 2, 3 into 2, and bring down 25. Now we can divide by 5, because 5 divides 5 and 25. 5 into 1, bring down 3, 5 into 5. Therefore, LCM equals to 2 into 2, this is 2. 2 into 2 into 5. We will ignore 1. We will not write the 1 because it doesn't have any, it doesn't make any change to the value. So into 3, into 5 equals to 5 into 2 is 10. 3 into 5 is 15. 15 into 2 is 30. 30 into 10 is 300. 300. Answer is 300. 4. Number 4. 9, 16, 18. 9, 16, 18. 2 divides 16 and 18. So bring down 9. 8 into 2. 9 into 2. 3 divides 9 and 9. 3 into 3. Bring down 8. 3 into 3. Again we can divide by 3. 3 into 1. 8. 3 into 1. Therefore, LCM, least common multiple, equals to 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 3 into 3 into 8 into 8 equals to how much? This should be 144. 144. Answer 144. Bracket 5. So in bracket 5 is 20, 12, 25, 32. 20, 12, 25, 32. Divide this by 2. 10 into 2, 6 into 2, bring down 25, 16 into 2. Divide again by 2. 5 into 2, 3 into 2, bring down 25, 8 into 2. Now we need at least two numbers that can be divided by a prime factor. So 3, no, 3 we cannot divide by 3. Can we divide by 5? Yes, we can divide because there is 5 and 25. 5 into 1, bring down 3, 5 into 5, bring down 8. So LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 5, 2 into 2 into 5, into 3 into 5 into 8, into 3 into 5 into 8 equals to 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 5, 20, 20 into 3, 60, 60 into 5, 300, 300 into 8, 2400, 2400. Answer is 2400. I think you are clear about all 5 problems. If you have any questions still, please let me know. Write in the comment box. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.